In this video, we'll discuss how to get your tax return faster than everyone else. Hey, I'm Spurgeon Perkins and I'm an actor just like you. The first year we went to a tax pro, we weren't really sure how much it would cost, but then something crazy happened. I was looking at our budget within not that long after, maybe a couple of weeks, and the federal and state tax returns had already deposited into our account. So in case you missed that, like within the month, the same month that we had gone to our tax pro, we had already gotten our reimbursement. It was less than 30 days. It was way less than that. So the fee that we paid the tax pro had already been reimbursed by that tax return, or at least canceled out of it. You can have that experience too if you report your taxes early. Let's break down 3 ways to make that a reality for you. P.S. I am not a tax pro. I am not giving you tax advice. Number 1, be ready on January 31st. That is the deadline for your talent agent to send you whatever tax documentation they have that you will need. Stop thinking of that April deadline as when you're supposed to submit your taxes. That is an extension, and you're reporting your taxes from January 1st through December 31st of the previous year. So you shouldn't need until April. You should really only need until that January 31st deadline when you're waiting to receive any of your tax documents. Number 2, report your taxes by the first week of February. So by the end of that first week, if you can get in with a tax pro or you can sit down and get on a DIY tax site, I say go ahead and get it done. I actually talked to somebody else in our tax pro's office who verified for me that you will in fact get it early because they're not bombarded and the government's not bombarded by everyone waiting until that April deadline. Number 3, stay organized throughout the year. You should really have all of your documentation and what you need to submit organized, and you need to double check that on December 31st. And then that way in January, the only thing you're waiting on is that January 31st deadline in case you're waiting on a tax document to get to you. But that means in order to make that happen, you should be checking in and organizing your pay stubs and organizing all of your potential deductions once per month. Do you wait until that last minute April deadline, or do you submit your taxes early? If you want to learn more about how I stay organized once per month throughout the year, then be sure to check the description. Thanks so much for watching, and until next week, Actor Balls, go take charge of your own success.